Every day we receive and click on tons of emails. It often takes us an eternity or a few seconds. What if I told you that now you could get paid to receive and click on these emails? To learn more, watch this video. Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I post new videos every week on how to make money on the internet without investment using apps and websites. All these opportunities are available worldwide. Just subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. This will allow you to be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. In today's video, I'm going to show you a website that just pays you for clicking on emails. You could do it from anywhere in the world with a phone, tablet, or a laptop. It will take only 30 seconds of your time and you can do it over and over. The more you receive emails, the more you make money. The only problem is that it is very difficult to set these up and start making money. But if you watch this video to the end, I will show you step by step how you could set these up and start making money with this new method. Step 1. You must have an email address. It can be Gmail, Outlook, Hotmail, Yahoo Mail. This strategy works with all types of email address. For today's tutorial, I will use my Gmail address. But the procedure is the same for all accounts. Step 2. You go to clickjourney.com. Link in the description below. On ClickJourney, when the page is displayed, you click on Create an Account. On this page, you will fill in a username. Put your email address. Put a password. Confirm the password. Write an affiliate code. Click on the link in the description below. Check I am not a robot. Check on the first two boxes. Don't check the third box. Then click on Create an Account. ClickJourney will send you an email to activate your account. So you go to your email inbox and click on the activation link. It will bring you back to this page where they will see your account is successfully activated. You will log into your new ClickJourney account. Just enter your email address and password. Then check I am not a robot and click on login. They will still send you an email which contain your verification code. You will go to your email inbox, copy the code and paste on ClickJourney's page. Then you click on confirm. You will see your ClickJourney dashboard. This is where you will see all the information about your account. This is the most important step if you want to make money with this strategy. Step 3. You will go into your mail inbox and click on the second email. ClickJourney gives you the procedure for the finalization of your account. It asks to add ClickJourney to your contact list. They ask you to click on the 3 dots and add them to your contact list. But when you click on the 3 dots, you will not find the option to add a contact. I'm going to show you what to do. Click on the 9 dots on the top of the page, next to your account logo. Click on Contact. When the page opens, click on Create a Contact. This will be displayed. You will write ClickJourney as first name. Then on business name you will write ClickJourney. Then you click on Save. ClickJourney will start sending you emails to your email inbox. Then every time you click on the email you will make money. I'll show you how you make money with ClickJourney. When you start receiving ClickJourney's emails, you enter your mail inbox and open the email. Click on the link and it will open a page like this. You will stay until you see 100% at the top of the page. Check the box I'm not a robot. You will see the amount of money that have been credited in your ClickJourney account. To verify you log into your ClickJourney, you will write your email and password and click on login. ClickJourney will send your activation code in your email inbox. That will be the procedure every time you log in your ClickJourney account. Just copy the code and paste on ClickJourney's page, then you click on confirm. You will notice that your account has been credited. With this method, the more you click on ClickJourney's emails, the more money you will earn, and it is totally free. Thanks for watching this video till the end. If you liked the video, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel and activate your notification bell so that each time I post a new video you will be notified. Thank you and see you soon for another video.